Right, ready? Here we go. Mr. Pooh, Mr. Fish, Andy,
Glad you got that the right
me. It's here that used to be really dreadful.
Oh, is this the one?
Yeah, it used to be.
What have they done? Resurfaced?
Oh, they've resurfaced the whole thing. It used to be people were just going across the field because it'd be easier.
Oh, okay.
Green lanes or byways are basically roads. Now, would you let your dog run along the road?
Ooh, it's hot. Where's everyone? Uh-oh. Oh, good. Ooh, got worried there. And we're going to go up and right, yeah? Yeah.
Really busy for midweek, this is. Really busy.
Thank you. Oh, thanks for that fish. Throwing dirt in my eyes.
I want a rematch. I couldn't get any grip, my back wheel was just spinning and then I tapped it into neutral. This is why I like armoured phones.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, but underneath, can you read what underneath it says byway, so we're all right. Doggies. This is a nasty up, this is. Go, go. Give it about 5. Give me about a 5-second gap because this is quite steep.
Yeah, no worries.
So if someone comes off.
Yeah, this was closed last time.
Yeah.
And Andrew on the DRZ came off.
What did I say? What did I say? Yeah, he's come off. You want help, Andrew?
You off, then I can see
So,
a bit.
yeah. Alright.
I'll probably go up this one.
It might not start straight away because it's carb.
I think I'll go up this side.
Yeah, maybe.
Mind you, then you're stuck there. Over there.
It's carb, so give it a minute. Gravity.
Fires look clean though from the river.
Yeah. Yes, this carb's empty at the moment. There we go.
Makes it look so majestic. I'm not going to make it look like that. Yeah, I'll pull up round here and then I'll...
Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
You picked the wrong place to stop.
It's alright. Looks flat on camera. You alright?
I'm making some weird noises.
Where?
Sounds like...
Turn,
Sounds like there's something rubbing.
get off the bike and hold it up and I'll spin the back wheel. Is it neutral?
Yeah.
No, not there. Maybe the front wheel?
Did you hear it?
Something is rubbing, isn't it? No, it's fine as well.
Just wondering if it's a sprocket in here.
You didn't drop it, did you?
No.
Okay.
Don't know. Don't know what it is. What's that ABS sensor like? Oh, what's going on there?
It's because it's off. It's not running, isn't it?
Well, it doesn't normally flash.
Does it not?
I don't know, it might do.
That does sound. I can hear it.
It's in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you want me to take the? Do you want to take the sprocket cover off?
Yeah. I should have a... Let me take this.
Andrew should come back in a minute.
Let me get the bike out the way first.
Yeah, go up here.
Yeah, in case someone comes along.
A rock had got inside the sprocket cover and that was causing the rubbing. And it also sheared off the top layer of metal on his chain.
Horses. Do you want us to push the bikes past instead of?
We're walking slow anyway, so
Okay.
it should be alright.
You sure? Maybe not. She didn't like it.
That's fine, no problem.
These aren't that loud though. But the thing is, you want it in between. You don't want it loud, but you don't want it quiet.
What's going to happen when all the bikes going to be electric? You're going to go around the corner and walkers are going to.
It's just every time you hit the throttle, it's going to have to say, out of the way.
Hey! You want to lead? I don't know the way.
Didn't mean to crash into you.
It's alright. You spot the Karma! Karma got ya! Karma's got ya!
Oh, the plate come off.
Almost.
That'll learn him. He won't do that again. Anyway, luckily someone comes prepared with tools and tape. Easy quick bodge, and then the last few lanes of the day. Hay fever was alright throughout the day, no problems whatsoever. Just until this last lane. Then by the end of it my eyes were just watering.